Hello, my name is Robert Fox. I'm the market manager for the C&I market at Hubbell Power Systems Enclosures business unit. Before specifying underground enclosures, one of the first questions to ask yourself is whether or not the enclosure will be used in deliberate traffic applications or non-deliberate traffic applications. ANSI-SCTE 77 is a performance specification for non-deliberate traffic applications with specific tier load ratings listed. Before 2002, there had never been a true non-deliberate traffic standard. Today, the ANSI-SCTE committee meets every 3 to 5 years to consider possible updates to the standard. The standard was last updated in 2013. The ANSI-SCTE standard strictly adheres to the following: 3-position structural testing of both the enclosure and cover to simulate typical non-deliberate vehicular loadings, impact resistance, chemical resistance, UV degradation, water absorption, flammability, internal equipment protection, coefficient of friction, torque value of fastening devices. 3-position testing is required to determine how a product will perform in actual use. In order to qualify a product's performance, test loading should be performed at the lateral center of the longest sidewall, at the vertical center of the longest sidewall, and at the vertical position in the center of the cover. Proper ANSI-SCTE standards include the following load ratings: Tier 5, sidewalk applications, light-duty truck up to Class 3. Tier 8, sidewalk applications, light-duty truck up to Class 3. Tier 15, driveway, parking lot, and off-roadway applications, medium-duty truck up to Class 7. Tier 22, driveway, parking lot, and off-roadway applications, heavy-duty truck up to Class 8. ANSI-SCTE testing is essential for all underground enclosures. How can you tell if your enclosure has been tier tested? Rely on testing conducted by a third-party organization such as Underwriters Laboratory or ETL. Request a letter from the manufacturer stating that the enclosure meets the published ANSI-SCTE testing criteria. If you have questions about ANSI-SCTE or any other application for enclosures, please call your Hubbell representative. We'd be happy to work with you in specifying your underground enclosure applications.